Self-Employment Tax Calculator, how to use Taxact Self-Employment Tax Calculator. The Taxact Self-Employment Tax Calculator is a tool designed to help self-employed individuals estimate their tax obligations, including Social Security and Medicare taxes. Here's a detailed explanation. What is self-employment tax? Self-employment tax consists of Social Security tax, 12.4% of net earnings. Medicare tax, 2.9% of net earnings. Unlike employees who split these taxes with their employers, self-employed individuals are responsible for paying both portions, totaling 15.3%. Who needs to pay self-employment tax? You may need to pay self-employment tax if 1. You earn $400 or more from self-employment activities, example sole proprietorship, freelancing, or independent contracting. 2. You receive income as a church employee exceeding $108.28. How the calculator works. 1. Input your income, enter your self-employment income and any employer-paid income. 2. Calculate tax. The calculator applies the current self-employment tax rates to estimate your tax liability. 3. Offset income. You can input qualifying expenses to reduce your taxable income. Benefits of using the calculator: accuracy, provides a reliable estimate of your tax obligations. Ease of use, simple interface for quick calculations. Planning, helps you budget for tax payments and avoid surprises. Important notes: self-employment tax contributes to your Social Security coverage, ensuring access to retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. The calculator is updated annually to reflect changes in tax rates and regulations.